Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite cook at it again. So today I'm gonna be cooking a small little hog that I was able to take not too long ago. I still have to do some cleaning on it, take off some hair, take off some of that fat, some of that nasty stuff that you don't want to eat. But here's a quick peek at it. I already had the trigger going at 180. I'm gonna smoke it at least for 2 hours on 180, and then I'm gonna crank up the temperature so I don't eat tomorrow, kind of thing. So I'm gonna put you on a little time lapse on that cleaning, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, cool. So right now I just cleaned it as much as I could. Take some of the nastiness off. Obviously you want to make it pleasant for your kids, your family to eat. So I do my best to take all the hair out as much as I can. All that nasty stuff, all that looking nasty stuff. Obviously there's an gunshot wound or anything to the body, so I didn't lose no meat. He took one to the dome. So now I'm gonna use mustard, just regular yellow mustard, as a binder for the secret sauce. But besides that, I'll just give a little dab, just to get all the seasoning to stick. Not too much, nothing special. Some other people use oil. I like using mustard. I really don't care too much anyways. Get nice in the ribs. There we go, something like that. You know, dab it a little there. Try to use one hand so you don't get all your shit all nasty and gooey. But you know, you get the point. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so that was pretty much it. Just lay your pig down. I'm gonna leave mine for at least 5 to 6 hours, just depends how long it takes. I'm gonna leave it at 180 for the next 2.5 hours. Every 4 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna spray it with some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice to try and maintain some of that moisture. And we'll see how it comes out. I'll give you guys some progress shots. Yo, what's going on? It's been like 7 hours since we put the pig in. Throughout the day, I actually sprayed it with apple cider vinegar, apple juice. Fucking fire. I checked a couple of times, but right now, probably 45 minutes ago, I wrapped it. I put it in a aluminum pan, and I was to pull this bad boy out. Check it out. Oh shit, it's just hot. Hot. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. I'll show you more once we get inside. So let's check this out now that we have some lighting. Holy Jesus. Damn, son. You know all that smoke really just coming off the bones? Oh shit. Oh. This is the tenderloins. time, dude. Man, it's gonna be legit. I'll make some like pulled pork style little burgers, sandwiches. So it's gonna be legit. Nice and crunchy. Let's get this little piece here. Let's do a little taste test while we do that. Alright, little taste test right here. Sage? Yo, this tenderloin's fucking fire, man. Hands down, fucking really good. I cooked it to 180. You see how the smoke went in there. You gotta make sure you cook at least to 180. Well, that's good. That's really good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this. Try it out. Send me pictures, whatever you cook. Catch you guys next time.